Okay.
Hmm. Good morning, India.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning.
Good
Yes.
morning.
Good
Sit
morning,
properly,
sir.
everybody. Sit properly. Close your eyes and be ready for Omkar Naad and Gayatri Mantra, everybody. Please put your mic off. Nobody just, unmute the mic. Take a deep breathing.
Swaminarayan, sir. Jai Swaminarayan, sir.
Take a deep breathing. Take out deep breathing, everybody. Be ready for Omkar Naad. ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः महाशान्तिः। Welcome back, dear students, once again in a series of videos, English online classes organized by Niara Global School, one of the greatest schools of the town, I should say in the region, and I am Ashwin Davadra with you. And today's day is very pious day. Actually, all days are very pious. Today special, day of Saraswati, Thursday, 3rd June, and we are having our students from 8th A class and participants of the day. Let's see everybody. The first participant of the day is Ashita Maurya. Everybody give us a round of applause for her. Very nice. And then we are having Monil Shah, Grashi Bharadwaj, Ashita Maurya, Dvija Bhatt, Sahil Kumar Pawar, Abhinav Goswami. Very nice, Abhinav. After a long time we are meeting over here. Where were you actually? Abhinav. Alright. Then we are having Agastya Gara, then Dharmi Merja, Himanshi Khurana, Isha Sudaria. Very nice, Isha. Janil Bharania, Jas Patel, Keshav Agrawal, Kevin Korat, Lakshya Patel, Mayan Patel, Milan Sinojia, Shivam Patshumbi Apanomalab. Very nice, Shivam. Then after we are having my greatest friend Tirthak Ogreja, Vianu Vadia, Krashiv Jadhav. Very nice. So everybody, welcome back. Yesterday we have completed our revision of chapter number 3, grammar topic, relative clause and subtopics, finite, subtopic, defining clause and non-defining clauses. Alright? So, and one more thing we have solved here, vocabulary part, and then we move forward, listening altogether I take in one of the period, okay, listening, and we are having our year speaking activity. Of course, speaking, we just discuss our year. Listen carefully, no any query, because I have kept you in, what you call lecture mood, so you cannot talk with me. First I explain, and then you can talk with me. Alright? So listen carefully, everybody. So this is very beautiful topic. You everybody open page number 36. I write over here, page number 36. Everybody textbook you open, page number 36. TB. TB, this means the textbook. Don't write message. Right now. Okay, Abhinav. Yes. Okay, fine. Okay. Lakshya Patel, I have already sent, questions on defining and non-defining yesterday in group. Alright? Okay, okay, Abhinav, okay, don't worry. Abhinav, I know I had some words with your mother yesterday, and don't worry, now you proved yourself as a corona warrior, and now you come back. I also was affected. No worry, be happy. Start with the day. Today's day is very, very, very pious and sacred, isn't it, Abhinav? Yes, come on, India. So let's begin, everybody, with speaking activity on the page number 36. You can open and see over here. So it's very, very important topic, okay, on speaking over here. Lot many times in discussion, some other person might be hurt by our talks, by our words, and by our way of talking and behaving. So for that, there is a solution. And in Sanskrit language, I usually say in my lecture, in Sanskrit language, there is a quote, Hitam briyat, priyam briyat. Hitkari bolo, priya bolo. Everybody loves to listen what? Sweet words. But sweet words should be like what? Neem leaves. Okay? Sweet words, but what? Hitkari hona chahiye. Isn't it? Yes. So, over here, some guidance, one guideline is given how to talk, how to deny. If you want to deny, you can deny also without hurting others. Isn't it? Slok is here, offline. Alright. Okay. So, how to deal with, the other person while talking. If you want to deny, if you want to if you are disagree, if you just partially agree with others, partially disagree with others. So how we can just do all the things, and which words has to be utilized over here. So let's begin, everybody, with the example. Example is given over here in the textbook. Read this sentence. Daniel Borania. You read this sentence. I just invite over here Daniel Borania. Please, Daniel.
Okay.
Read the sentence 2.
Yes.
Please mute all of you. Otherwise, once again, I just mute you, all of you. Yourself you mute. And Daniel Borania will come forward. Yes.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Second one, na, sir.
Beta, Daniel Borania will just read the sentence. Rakesh said.
Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of indoor and outdoor games.
Example. Page number 36. Green box.
Okay, sir. Here are some phrases that we can use when we agree, disagree, or partially disagree with others.
No, from beginning.
Someone's mic
From
is
beginning
on.
you read. beginning you read beta. Someone write.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Please, everybody. Okay. From the beginning, as I said.
Read
Rakesh
these
said,
sentences.
I will.
Rakesh said, I will plant it here. I don't think that is a good idea, said grandfather. In a discussion, we may agree or disagree with what others say. We can also partially agree or disagree with something that has been said. We need to be polite when disagreeing. Here are some phrases that we can use when we agree, disagree, or partially disagree with others. Agreeing. I agree with you on this.
Stop. All right, Janil, stop. Thank you. Thank you, Janil. Look at here, everybody. In given example, you see Rakesh said, I will plant it here. He has decided. But grandmother said, grandmother was not agree with him. He said, I don't think. See, don't plant over here. You don't know how to plant, where to plant.
Sir.
Go. Hey.
Sir, it is
Likewise, grandfather would
Sir, it is
tell,
grandfather, not grandmother.
So it would be, please. Okay, fine. Grandfather would tell these by anger. But grandfather said, how? You see over here. He was not agree. Okay, but he utilized very good words. I don't think that is a good idea. So grandmother would be having another idea. Okay, if you are not agree, you can utilize likewise other words. Grandfather, right? Okay, fine. So this way we can talk. Okay, if we are agree or disagree or partially agree. Okay, with others. So we need polite language, polite words. The other person cannot be heard by your words, isn't it? Right. So here are some phrases, which phrases are very, very important. Okay, we can see over here that can use when we disagree, when we agree, partially agree with others. On the basis of these, all the phrases, we are having one activity, which is very, very beautiful activity. You're gonna once again, okay, going to prepare. This time is a final actually. This is final. In chapter 1 and 2, we have done activity for practice purpose. I wanted to see who can just do it and who can do perfectly, and any problem will come or not, but you have successfully done this activity. First and second chapter, some students sent me some videos, so I was very happy with them only. Those who haven't sent with them, I am not happy. I am quite unhappy with them. All right. So if you want to take a chance today to make me happy, and you want to be happy with your work, so please, you just prepare a video on the basis of these role plays. Okay, 2 situations are there. Okay, and you make happy your parents, your teachers, your school, your management, and your society as well. Because it is a lesson for all the people who don't utilize polite language. Blunt language they are using. Alright? So please don't write message over here. Listen carefully what I say. So your video will be published in Facebook, in our account, school account. And other people also would know that how NEJ students are. Alright? You want to show our strength and potential to the world, not to Morbi only, to the world I should say. So everybody be ready, and this is a part of subject enrichment activity, SEA. Right? And I'll give you 25 marks, and everybody has to take part. How it can be done, I'll explain you in this session. Alright? Keep patience. Patience is required. All right. So let's first of all let's understand. Then after we just play over here, how would you just react and how would you do the role play and all. And afterwards I assign and how we want to record video with pen. Right? Okay. First of all, we understand agreeing. Agreeing, for agreeing, we are having some phrases. We can utilize these phrases in these two situations. Yes, utilization is compulsory. You just utilize, then it can be just meant actually over here. We have explained over here, right? So compulsory you want to utilize. If you agree, utilize. If you are disagree, utilize. And if you are partially disagree, you can utilize. So all the three phrases you want to utilize in your role play. So pay attention over here properly and understand properly. I agree with you on this topic, and then after you can start your conversation. Second one, I couldn't agree more. It is mean that now I agree with you, but I couldn't agree more. आगे नहीं करूँगा agree, isn't it? Right now I am agree. Yes. Then after third one, that's for sure. That's for sure. I agree actually. These are the facts. You are absolutely right. Right. There is not a question. Atra kaha sandeha. Right? In Sanskrit. Then you have a point there. Yes, you have a point there. Yes, Janil. Yes, Isa Sataria, you have a point there. So you can just utilize these phrases for agreeing on matter with other people, person. Then we come forward for disagreeing. I don't think so. It is mean that you are not agree. I am sorry, but I disagree. So this is so polite word, polite. I am afraid I don't agree with you. डर लगता है, I don't agree with you. With all due respect, some polite words, when you say disagreeing words, it's good, isn't it? Directly, bluntly, you cannot say, otherwise it hurts. And you will not be loved by other person, other friends, okay, for longer time. If you use harsh and blunt words, isn't it? Okay. I don't share his view. Then we study disagreeing words. Okay, this type of disagreeing words clauses are over here. And then partially disagree, partially agree, and partially disagree. Right? It means. So that may be one point of view, but one point is there. I agree, but rest point I don't agree. Isn't it? Slope. Yeah. I see your point, but half agree. Partially means half. I agree with you in part. Part means one part. But, well, next one. Well, you could be right. You could be right. Well, but you say, all right, later on, that's partially true. That's partly true. Yes, partly, not partially, but partly. That's partly true, half true, but the rest is not true. All right. Okay. So with this understanding, everybody, you can utilize agreeing, disagreeing, partially disagreeing, phrasal word, phrases actually in the situation, given situation. Explain. I explain the situation. Everybody pay attention. Work in the groups of 4 and discuss this. You need to express your personal feelings and opinions as well as respond to others by agreeing, disagreeing, or partially disagreeing with them. Situation number 1. Understand, first of all, listen carefully and try to understand. No more questions now. Afterwards, I just give you pass to ask the question, please. Role play. As a family and discuss where you will go during summer vacation. Think, imagine summer vacation has been done, but still, okay, think you will get to happiness. Okay, when I don't have vacation, I think about vacation and I get enjoyment. Yes. All right. So think, imagine. And the choices are hill station, beach, historical places, or a city. Okay. So on this topic, you all have to just present your views. 4 students, present your views. Whether you agree, disagree, or partially agree. Understand what I said? Yes. So this is a role play. You find out your pair. 4 students would be there, or 3 students, 3 or 4, or minimum 2, maximum 4. You select yourself, your friend, make a group, and how would you just prepare? Okay, from your group, one would what you call combine the video. You record your videos, or else what can you do? Because you are living at your home. Okay, so yes, you think, everybody prepare a group first of all, and try to think how to do. I'll not give you hint how to do, but you try. I want to see whether you can just find a way or not. All right, minimum 2, maximum 4 students you select. Yourself you would contact and just get, okay, and prepare a group and try. Okay, if you need phone numbers, I'll give you phone numbers. I'll share phone numbers with you. Okay, in group. All right, all the students' phone numbers, so you can contact your friends. You know your friend, but you don't know the phone number, how to contact. So I'll give you. I'll provide you. Okay, so you first of all make group, and then just discuss how will you just record the video, how will you combine the video, being at home. You don't want to meet at one place physically. No, it is no. I said no, don't meet at any place. You just record and combine. Okay, for this role play. And second one, situation, only one situation you want to prepare, not all the situations. All right, discuss. Second situation, discuss the advantages and disadvantages of indoor and outdoor games. Very, very easy. Right, both topics are very easy. Okay, so you prepare. Video should be of minimum 3 or 5 minutes. Minimum maximum 5 minutes. Max 5. All right, because 4 students are there, so you want to just, and conversation should be live, like and proper way. Utilize the words in the proper context, proper grammar, proper sentence, proper pause, proper punctuations. All right. Okay. Try and find the way. How will you do it? First step is prepare the group. Second step is how will you do? How will you record? How will you combine? How will you just dramatize the role play? All right. This way you think. This is the next step actually. Every day, every time, easy. Topic will not be there. Easy wait. Okay, topics are very easy, but how to do it is somewhat challenging. But I know my NEG students accept the challenge and go ahead. Isn't it, everybody? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See how I can hear you. Yes, sir. Come on, India. Yes. And now I just one by one, please listen carefully. One by one, if you have query, I believe you. I have confidence that you don't have query. Okay, a query is regarding 25 marks. Okay, I said when you want to submit, how you want to submit, everything. I just give you instruction in the group, right? So if you have any query still, you can ask. Still, I just say 25 marks, SEA activity, compulsory you want to take part. Everybody, if you find any query regarding that, kuch bhi, you can contact me anytime after 4 to 12 at night. All right. Okay. So I am just keeping you all of you unmute, but at a time one person will speak if you have query. If you don't have query, let's go ahead for life skill. Other topic, we are having writing and life skill as well. Alright? Okay, fine. So I am just keeping you and mute. Alright. Hello, anybody having queries?
No, sir, no doubt.
Yes, good.
Sir, I have
Yes, please ask.
can we do in FCC or Zoom? Or a simple video. Sir, we have to do in FCC or Zoom we can do. Because in FCC, all you have to do record.
Yes, all you can just, okay, you can show away a picture. In Zoom also you can record. Zoom. Okay, so all the pictures can be visible over here. Okay, video on, and you can just talk like, you know, newspaper readers, newspaper conversation, the GD also happen in what you call news headlines and whatever in TV programs. Okay, so all were talking one by one, discussing.
Okay.
So you can also do likewise. It's very better idea. Yes. One of you host and all the students will join and then discuss. Very, very easy. Sitting at home, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at home. Alright? Come over here. That's why I came out. And once again, I have come over here. Alright? So please let me know. Hello? Any
Sir?
have fast, because we want to go ahead, beta. Okay,
Yes,
if you have
sir.
queries, then you tell. Please.
Sir, 5 member can be available because our group has a 5 member.
Beta, you do what? 4 I said, it is minute 4. Simple
Okay,
thing.
sir.
Minimum 2, maximum 4, not 5. Alright? Because other students also are there in the class. They have to also form the group. Group, it does not mean that my friend only will prepare the group. Group, all can be mentioned, okay? The group. Otherwise, they just form the group. What do you say? Huh? You find yourself, your group members, otherwise I'll form group.
Sir,
What would you say?
I'm
Sir,
sorry.
you will form the group.
Sir, you will,
Yes,
you can form the groups.
Yes, of course.
Sir,
I'll
you can form the group. It
and
will
these
be
will be
better.
helpful for other activity as well. Yes, I'll form.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. I'll form the
No,
group
sir,
and
we
send
may.
the group members. Ah,
Sir, you only form the
Yes, sir, you only
okay.
form the
Okay,
group.
one thing we do. Majority wins. Right over here, who will form the group means I or you. You write. We or you. We or you. We or you. Maximum account. Maximum win. Alright? Okay. Fine. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, I decide and let you know, okay? Don't worry. I decide and let you know. Okay, fine. So, let's go ahead everybody with this activity. We are having life skill everybody. Please pay attention. It's a very, very important life skill. Yes. So, this is compulsory beta. You don't think that let it be sir तो बोलते रहते okay कर देंगे नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो I just very strict regarding that. I'm very particular regarding this because it's a marks giving activity. 25 marks is there. It's a CC activity. Make sure. I'll give you on your performance actually. How would you say? How would you utilize the language, your content, how you present your views, how you disagree, agree or partially agree, yes, how you deal with the others, how you just don't cry, don't scream at anyone, politely utilize your language, you know, whatever, everything should be marked actually. These are all rubrics you believe, right? Okay. Okay. And I send you rubrics as well and instruction, very good instruction I also share in your group. Okay. Okay, fine. So let's begin everybody our life skill activity over here after completion of this speaking activity. Alright. Interpersonal skill help us to relate in positive ways with people around us, like our family members, friends, acquaintances. Acquaintances, it does mean that our relatives, okay, and the people we interact with daily. Alright. So imagine that you have moved to a new city. Acquainted means familiar actually. Acquainted means familiar. Imagine you have moved to a new city and analyze how you would deal with the situation. Alright. And this type of you know what you call topic is there in science, adaptation. You perhaps studied, isn't it? Adaptation in science, animal adaptation, human adaptation, then what you call bird adaptation, tree adaptation as well, mammal adaptation. Yes, lot many birds and animals and all. Okay, so over here we are talking about human adaptation. Imagine you moved on the study, in your study and analyze how would you deal with the new situation. Yes. So over here we are having two activities. You all have to discuss over here only. Would you keep to yourself and not want to make any new friends in school? Would you? Monisa, what Monisa says? Would you make new friends in new atmosphere, new situation, new city? Or you keep yourself alone in the school? I don't want to make any friends. Likewise. Hello, can you hear or not? Hello? Reddy Maheshwari, Dharmi, Imanshi, Isha.
Sir, we can hear you.
So please reply.
Yes, sir.
Reply anyone. Would you make new friends in new city?
Sir, we can hear you.
Yes, sir. Yes,
I
sir.
ask question. Please reply.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We will.
I will.
Only one. One student will reply.
I will make new friends, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. And would you let your family know that you are upset with the move?
No.
Very, very difficult answer. Okay. Why?
Sir, can you explain the second one? Means from the wood to the move. Can you explain it?
Would you let your family members, means family member को बताओगे आप कि you are absent, you are upset, okay, upset actually, upset with the move. Move means you have moved to other city and you are very upset. Will you let them know?
Yes, I will make my parents to know about my upset as I move, because I have lost lots of many friends which were in a past city. I will miss my friend, and I will also try to make a new friend as well.
Okay, hello. I want to know from Himanshi Khurana and Gracie. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Himanshi,
I'm here.
would you let your family members know that you are very upset, unhappy with the move? Move, it does mean that you have transferred to new city. Will you let them know or not?
Yes,
And
sir,
why?
I will.
Why?
Because the family members and our parents are only are truly and our first friend.
Hello. Gracie, Bharadwaj. Hello. Hello, Gracie. Ashita Moria, what would you say? Hello, Ashita. Ashita is not here actually. Okay, fine. So, Krishu Jadhav, you please say. Yes. Krishu also doesn't reply. Yes, Lakshya Patel.
Sir, I will let my parents know that I am
Yes.
very upset with my move, because we should not hide anything from our parents.
Yes. Yes. We should not hide anything. Hide.
Because they are very helpful for us. They
Elders,
can
parents, you can just inform them.
they
Yes.
can say some solution, or they can help.
Good, Lakshya Patel.
Sir, can
Very
I
nice.
say?
Very nice. Who?
Sir,
Sir, I
Lakshya.
am Krishu.
Krishu said. Now Lakshya. All right.
Sir, I will tell to my parents, because when you share the problem with someone, you will feel better.
Yes. You know, when you share the problem, you feel better. For your better feeling, you want to share. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
कोई भी
Good.
सर कोई भी बात लेके
And
Yes, Lakshya.
and they will help sir to find our
They
new
will
friends
help us.
also.
Yes. Very nice. Okay, fine. So, thank you, both of you. Very nice thoughts you are having. Very delicate thought. I love this thought actually. Good thought. Yes, very nice. So, would you try to get to know the people in your neighborhood, who are in my neighborhood, and who are in my school? Would you try to get to know, or you be alone?
No, sir. We will
Huh?
try to
What
get
you
to
say,
know the
Slok?
people in it.
Slok will say. Slok is there. Okay. Yes. Why? Better life, and if you are familiar with them, so you can ask ask some help if you need. You feel better if you talk with them, and you pass your quality time with them, isn't it? And you feel very comfortable that yes, I am having friends and I am not alone over here, isn't it? Yes. Very nice, Slok. Thank you. Okay. So next question over here. Would you help your family in arranging the new house and getting to know the new locality? Will you help your parents?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Asita Moria, Milan, please. Milan or Asita Moria? Anyone will say. Hello, Asita.
Yes,
Asita?
sir, I am Milan. Sir, I am Milan.
Oh, Milan Sinolgia. Yes, Milan. My friend, dearest friend. Yes, come on.
Sir, I will not hide anything with my parents, because if we hide anything to parents, we for one night thing we have to hide.
1 minute. Hello,
Yes.
Sinolgia, you listen. Can you see my face or not?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me or not?
Yes, sir.
I asked a different question. You are giving different answer.
Sir, when you are asking the question, then I had putting my mobile to charge, because the charge is about to over.
On charge, yes. Very nice. Okay, very nice. Okay, fine. So listen carefully the question. Would you help your
Yes, sir.
family with arranging the new house and getting to know the new locality? Will you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will help to arrange our new house, because if we help to our family, my family gets help from me, and I will also feel better that I had help to my family.
Yes. Very nice. And it's our family. You know, some students are not helping to the parents. Okay, whenever parents need help from us, we want to take a step. We don't want to be alone. We don't want to be aloof. दूर नहीं रहना है. Help करना है. Whatever small help we can do it, and parents will be happy with our help. You know, and I have lot many times shifted my house, but my tiny tots children, yes, they help me, but in their own way. But I will be very happy for them, you know, for the help. So, you know, we are living in society, social life we are living with our family, okay. If you ask your help, before they ask you to offer your help, you want to help them, isn't it? And because of these things, if you just offer your help without they ask, you know, before they ask, so they will pleased with you, you know, a lot. You cannot imagine actually. And they will give you blessings actually. Yes, and with these blessings you can go ahead in your life, dear students. Yes. In this world, blessings from elders, parents, teachers, worthwhile actually, you know. Very precious, very, you know, precious and valuable. You don't think. This is our culture, heritage of Hindustan. Know the glory, okay, of Hindustan, dear students. Right? So, okay, lot many, you know, cultures in the world, but our culture is very, very unique. Hindustan culture, I say. I don't say only Hinduism, Muslim and all, but I say Hindustan culture. Okay? So, get happiness, get blessings from your parents by touching their feet every day. Are you touching the feet of your parents every day? Ask the question to yourself. Don't say in showing off only that no. You just ask the question to yourself. Okay? Are you touching the feet? Just like we are just, you know, what you call seeing the culture program, Tarak Mehta, Jethala also take. But are you taking blessings from your parents, elders, teachers? It's our culture actually. Richest culture. If you are not doing, start doing. You will be blessed by your elders, dear students. Of course. And you will progress in your life, and you will get happiness in your life. You cannot collect the happiness. From each and every corner you can get happiness, dear students, by doing so. Isn't it? Yes. So everybody practice this thing. It's very, very wonderful thing, magical thing. Yes. Live happily and let others live happily. This should be our motto actually. My dear students. Jio or jeene do. You know, live, let's live and let others live. Happy, with happiness. Okay, so by this way we have done this life skill activity very nicely, and you understood better. Is there any query in this both activities, speaking and life skill? Anybody?
No, sir.
Any query? Hello?
Sir,
Yes?
sir, I am Milan Sinodia, and today is
Yes.
only live example. Today is only live example of when I help my mother in cooking. I wake up early in 6 o'clock. Usually I used to wake up at 6:30. So I tell to my mother that let me. My father goes to the office with the tiffin. So I had packed the tiffin of my father, and I had filled the bottle of my father's water bottle.
Wow, very nice. It's a great help.
Then my mother is happy.
After 2 minutes, I come. Okay, very nice, beta. So, beta, it's you don't know actually the result, the fruit of this, seva. It's called seva. Yes, and you believe that, okay, forever actually. Okay, and the most important, okay, in your life, who are the most important? The parents are most important in life. Okay, first of all, start with this, and then you see, you will be the star of the world actually. Yes, of course. Yes, very nice, beta. With this, okay, fine. I will check
So
your
you will
attendance.
make the group?
Yes, I will make
we
the
should
group,
make the-
and I let you know in the group. Okay, I just send, okay, in our group actually. All right. So everybody be ready. Yes, whosoever will get the students, please contact the other student and try to just prepare material, prepare what you call speech, how you do best speech, best. We are going to publish in this video, and we are having these what you call activity, the very best activity over here, conversation, GD, group discussion, likewise. Okay, so you can come on, everybody, be ready for that. And now I take your attendance, everybody. Let me take your attendance. First of all, yes, student list, please. Computer master, can I have student list, please? Okay, the list is here, and now I'm taking the attendance. Abhinav Goswami is here today. Very nice. Be punctual every day, Abhinav. Right? And may God bless you. Right? Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, everybody. Bye-bye, everybody. And have a nice day. Have a great day ahead. And namaskaram samarpayami.
Bye, sir.